Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids! Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow bee. Let's get started. Let's learn how to draw a bee. I draw her two cute eyes. And her smiling mouth. I draw an oval shape around them. It's going to be her head. I draw her taps. Now her body with a triangle at the back. It's her sting. I divide her body with some lines like this because I want to use the colors of the rainbow soon. I draw her 6 legs. And finally, her wings. Wow, it looks great! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring of our cute bee, I am going to use the colors of the rainbow. I use red for her mouth, orange for her taps. I color her head yellow. For the first stripe, I use light green. Then light blue. Purple. And pink. I use mint for the wings. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.